Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a review and tutorial with the new Revolution Shook eyeshadow palette. It's a pretty big gal, looks like this, nice big mirror, lots of shades, and I wanted to do something a little more interesting today, so this is what we did. Also, I have a surprise at the end of this video, so do not click off. You guys want to know it's one of the products that I love so much, and I may be doing a giveaway. And just to let you guys know, I'm gonna have a few giveaways, so make sure you're watching. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you guys want to see how I got this look and if I like this new Makeup Revolution Shook palette, then let's get into it. So I'm loving this super big mirror. Like, it's an actual good mirror. Like, I'm loving it, loving it. All right, we're first going to go in with Trouble right here. We're gonna start by stamping this into the crease. Oof, that shade is beautiful. All right, and then once I've got it put down, then I'm going to start to blend it. Holy cow, this shade is insanely beautiful. And I didn't blend it out all the way. That's hopefully what this shade's gonna help us do. We're gonna go into Repost right here. I have a fluffy brush. And then right along those edges, we're gonna start to blend this shade out. This shade is pretty powdery. It could be where I have a fluffy brush in there, but it's definitely powdery. So right along our edges. All right, I'm gonna go in with Date right here. And I have a really small brush. This is a Morphe 507. And then we're just going to deepen this up just a smidge. So I'm keeping it pretty low and then just gently going in there. All right, and then for all over the lid, I'm gonna go in with Rumor right here. Wow, that is so buttery soft and smooth. Pretty good with a finger, but I might wet a brush just to see if it intensifies it anymore. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Nightclub right here and put that closer to our edge. All right, same Rumor shade, but with a wet brush. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. I'm gonna go back in with Date, which was our darkest color, and just put that on the outer edge. And then blend just gently. Okay, I already did the lower lash line. I threw a little bit of Fabulous on, and then Repost and a little bit of Date. And for the inner corner highlight, we're gonna go in with Chic, which also makes a beautiful face highlight. Like, it's just the most beautiful champagne color. It is stunning. Okay, so we are finished with this look, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys, I do recommend this palette 100%. It's beautiful, it blends out well. I'm not a huge fan of the packaging. It's pretty big, it's pretty bulky, it's like tin. I like this though. But for $20, you're getting a really nice big mirror. And I mean, look at the shades in here. These are beautiful. You can go so many different ways with this. Like, you can do pretty bright like I did. You can go neutral. You can go neutral with a pop of color. I mean, you can do super simple looks with your transition shades up here. There's so many different things you can do with this. 100% I recommend it. It's $20, but on Ulta right now, of course, right now, and not when I bought it, but right now they have buy one, get one 50% off anything Makeup Revolution. Highly recommend. So if you guys pick this up, let me know. And if you made it to the end, I am doing a giveaway. You guys know how much I absolutely love my BH Cosmetics Hanging in Hawaii palette. I didn't want to get one of these Revolution palettes that I got because I didn't know if they were good. Well, I know this baby is good. So here is a brand new one. I'll show you guys the shades in here so I'm not opening the new one that one of you all is going to get. There are these gorgeous shades. The metallics in here are poppin'. I mean, absolutely stunning. Poppin'? Like, I don't say that word. But anyway, the mattes are pigmented, blendable, buttery, beautiful. I love, love, love this palette. So if you guys want to enter, all you have to do is comment what you're thankful for. And I am so thankful for you guys and the ones who watch my videos every day. Not every day. Every time I put one out. And I'm just really grateful that I'm starting to get some numbers now and subscribers and a lot of new friends. So all you have to do is comment what you're thankful for, and then in a separate comment, tell me where you're from. I'd like to know where everyone's from. So yeah, if you guys want to enter, I'll have all the rules down below. Make sure you're subscribed and you like this video. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.